Engines aligned. Torque to spec. Calibration initiated. Fuel system parameters updating. Route the main duct to the cabin vents. Connect the last section. Ready for airflow test. Test vapor confirms good circulation. All right, let's get this cab secured. Watch the press action now. Aligning the mount now, applying initial torque, final torque sequence complete. Aligning hinges now, compressing seal, testing, perfect compression clear. Bracket secure, activating fan for spin test. Rotation confirmed, steady at spec RPM. All right, latch is secure, starting spin test. Fan is spinning up, RPMs are good, cooling system is operational. All right, starting acoustic insulation calibration, applying the first panel now. Pressing firmly, testing for vibrations and leaks. All right, starting acoustic insulation calibration, applying the first panel now. Pressing firmly, testing for vibrations and leaks. Seal line, negating suction. Locking in place.
In the John Deere factory, panels are formed and shaped. Robots ensure precision on the assembly line.
Paint booth complete, chassis is green and ready. Starting beam calibration, aiming for headlight. Calibration at 95% looks good. Paint booth complete, chassis is green and ready. Starting beam calibration, aiming for headlight. Calibration at 95% looks good. Connecting to ECU, initiating sync. Link established, run full diagnostics. Sync complete, all parameters are nominal. Initiating hydraulic pressure simulation. Pressure building, holding at 3000 psi. Test complete, results nominal. Initiating transmission load test. Load applied, monitoring torque and RPM. Reading stable, test successful. Initiating cold start calibration. Sensors are online. Calibration complete. Engine stable. Initiating GPS and software integration test. Signal is strong, syncing software now. All systems passed, ready for deployment. Initiating stress test, monitor for strain. Suspension is absorbing the impact well. All clear, test complete. Initiating PTO load test. Test complete, all parameters are in spec. Initiating PTO load test. Test complete, all parameters are in spec.
The 200-point quality inspection begins. Every system is tested for reliability, guaranteed John Deere quality.
Final wipe down complete, polishing the grill now. Tires look good, ready for inspection.
Engine performance is optimal. Moving to registration.
Serial registered, checklist next.
Loading confirmed.
Ignition engaged. Dashboard is live and green. All systems go.